You are so right. So this is what the Wildwater River looks like at the moment. It's like super murky. So if you look, you will see falls here, a streak of falls there, 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 and there. Like, how awesome is that? It's beautiful. On your four-wheel drive. So now we're in Oat Bay. This is what it looks like. Very so dirty. Okay, so oh my god, we're going rafting. Just walk sideways. Oh, like this.
Many pictures.
So now we're rafting over to Scattered Falls. So yeah. Ready when you are. So now we're going to a banana field to get to the falls. And this is what we're walking in.
Good tour here because you have the bananas that some people don't know what the banana is all about. You have lumber tree, this one is mahogany, but one of Jamaican hardwood to use make furniture.
The mahogany, yeah, man.
Yeah.
And there's someone crossing the river. Go girl. Look at how far the water reaches. Lord God.
Oh.
Guys, look at what I'm going through. Mud. God bless these shoes. I want to see if I can get a close up for one of these bananas.
Was Rio Grande.
You mean this is the settlement of fresh soil?
Yeah.
Very nutritious.
All where those building out there,
You need
those
some-
people have to
To be.
leave those places. Yeah.
Yeah.
What? 3rd of November.
So this is the bananas.
Just shortly after the big hurricane. Portland is a place where the olden days people, they used to say in Patois, it's never too late for a shower of rain. Don't matter how the sun is hot, you can down have a shower of rain, like what you just see a while.
It's never too late for a shower of some rain. Yeah.
Yeah.
Farming spirit.
Good.
Yeah.
But they talk it in Patois, it's never too late for a shower of rain. Yeah.
That should be Portland's tagline.
Yeah. the pool.
This is the pool. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
You clean it out many.
Yeah. That's what the cat go here and you can see it.
Right here?
It comes from.
Oh my god, it's from all the way up. Yeah.
Well, this waterfall now, you hike it all the way up. When you go by the tree there, you go underneath the water, you get some natural massage, no man-made. You hike it all the way up to the top there, then you come across on a trailway all the way back down.
So that's a different route going back down.
Yeah, the same route that we're going on to the cave.
Right.
But when you go by the top here, you will see all about it.
We'll do that after the cave.
So this is the falls, guys, and this is Scudder Falls that we found in Port Antonio. And oh, my battery's been dropped.
Right, when the river is in state,
We're on our way to the cave.
when the river is in
On our way
state,
to the cave, so
when them is not working,
we're gonna
you
be
have
here
to
in a
pay
minute.
somebody, definitely.
Yeah, so we're on our way to the Fox Cave, where this is definitely what a hike is looking like, guys. It's pretty rough. Mr. Fish is taking pretty good care of us. So yeah, but this is awesome. I can't wait to get to the caves. My battery is actually dying, so I won't be vlogging much until I get to the caves and when I'm back at the waterfalls, because I didn't get to vlog that. But yay! This is the entrance for the Fox's Cave.
All the way around there is cave. All the way back there, it's cave. All the way across there, it's cave.
caves.
The water is underneath.
Jesus!
A big river is underneath that you can all swim in.
I'm not so sure about this. Like, what do you think, Albert?
Fish, you're telling me that the river in that cave
Yeah.
is safe to swim?
Yeah,
Underneath all of this,
yeah.
no rocks are falling or anything, right?
No.
This looks scary, right?
Not really.
Am I the only one panicking? This is like my second cave ever. I've only been to one cave and it was
Did you survive the one
underground.
cave?
Yeah, because it was above ground, not underground. Like, guys, look at this. Oh my god. So these are the lights that they're gonna be using to guide us. Okie dokie. So that's how they're going under. Lord God. You see, my shoes is like super sleepy.
It's on.
Oh,
Oh my god, guys.
it's not on all the time.
I'm not liking this at all. I'm going under a cave, guys. This is super scary. I don't even know if you guys can see anything at all. It's super dark.
Okay. This is the first compartment.
Let me just ask you before we get any further.
Yeah.
Are there any bats in here?
Yes.
Jesus, stand away. I'm afraid
Come
of
along,
bats.
come along, come along.
Oh my god.
Look here from this side.
Oh my god, they're bats.
This door.
You see the bats?
Yes, they're bats.
See them bats there?
Oh my God,
Those
yes.
are the bats.
The bats are up there,
Then
guys.
bring in the food and eat the sop off and drop the seed to the ground.
Okay, guys, look.
But these bats now, sort of, see them?
Uh-huh.
They're sort of used to people coming in. So,
Oh, they're used to us.
yeah.
What have I done? Oh god. I'm scared.
Come all the way.
Are there any iguanas, lizards?
No, only the bats.
Only the bats, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you come, you see where they lie, see them all around there.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
This is the first compartment, number 1. You look all around, you will see how the limestones really shape and farm. These are all the plants here. Is all the fruits that they bring in, drop the seed, and because of the rainy weather anyhow, they grow. But as soon as time go by, they're going to die because no sunlight. Okay?
What is that? What is that? Is that to... What's that? What's that about? Is that to let the bats know that we're inside?
How come you fit through with your backpack on?
What is that, Mr. Fish? Is that to let the bats know that we're inside?
No, the bats, you don't worry about the bats.
So what is that music for?
This is just like a drum
Oh, okay.
that you can play on the rocks.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm just freaking out.
This is like a drum that you can play on the rocks. Okay, you look all around to the top. Each compartment you go, the formations are all completely different.
Yes.
You look on the rock. This is a formation that a lot of people come inside here want to make photograph beside. They come like this and they stay like this and they build photographs.
All right, wait. Let's build some photographs. How about that?
Oh, with a statue here.
Yeah.
All right. It's real nice, guys. But I'm sure I can't get you guys to see it. It is scary, but it's absolutely beautiful. Like, it's beautiful. Like, you guys will see pics because I'll show some pics at the end of the video. But yeah, it's really beautiful, guys. You can only see a little bit. If I had brighter light, I'll show you guys, but not much I can do. I'm sorry. So this is the Scattered Falls in Port Antonio. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can get a better view for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this falls a lot. It's a bit pricey getting over here, but I really do like it. And I need to tell my tour to bring repellent because these mosquitoes are quite something. So this is it, guys. It's in the rainforest. The falls is beautiful. Like, can you really believe this is Jamaica right now, right? So yeah, that's the top of the falls. We were up there when we went to the Fox's Cave. So, what it looks like. It's absolutely amazing, guys. I would recommend visiting here. If you need any directions, people to contact when you visit here or so on, you can just definitely let me know. I will hook you up, guys. I will definitely hook you up. I will send you directions and stuff. So you can just let me know and I'll hook you up, or you can just contact me. I am a tour guide, so if you need to visit any place like this, you can just let me know, and once I'm available, then I'll definitely bring you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, just don't forget to put a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures with me. Hey! So